Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here solve LeetCode problems. Today problem number 739, daily temperatures, medium level. Given an array of integers temperatures represents the daily temperatures. Return an array answer such the answer of I is the number of days you have to wait after the ith day to get a warmer temperature. If there is no future day for which this is possible, keep answer of I equals to 0 instead. So let's do it. How we can solve it? We can check all days greater than current day and calculate the difference. But this solution uh, will take n square time, so it will be quite ineffective, and we can do it more efficient. So I will show you more efficient way how to solve it. Let's get number of items and create a list of for answer and fill it by zeros. Fill with zeros by default. So if we cannot find the solution, it will stay 0. And also we will need a empty list for stack. What we can do? For instance, let's check example 1. We will check all items from the last to the first index, and so we have one list for answers and second list for helper variables for stack. And we will start checking from number 73. What we need to do? We will have next steps. First step, we check all items in the stack and remove all items less or equals that current value from the stack. So we have empty stack, so we cannot delete any values. And after it, we will add to the result list difference between item on the stack and the current index or 0. So here is answers, and add the current index on the stack. So current index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next, we will check index number 76. We need to delete all numbers less than current, so we delete 7 from the stack. Next, add to the answer difference between the index on the stack minus current index. But we don't have any indexes on the stack, so also 0. And add current index on the stack. Next number, 72. We cannot delete any numbers less from the stack because on the stack now we have index 6 with value 76, which greater than 72. And so we keep 6 in the stack and add difference between index on the stack minus current index. Current index 5. So result 1. And so on. And finally, just return result list. So let's do it. For I in range, we need to check all items in a reverse order. So started from n-1 to -1 index with step -1. Next thing, we need to remove all values from the stack less or equal to current value. How to do it? While temperature I, so it's current value, greater or equals to temperature stack -1 is a value on the stack, and all such values should be removed. Next, if also we need to check if stack isn't empty. Next, if stack has some values, then add answer. So answer of I equals to number in stack minus current index, and add current index on the stack dot append I and return answer. That's it. Let's check if it works. Small error. Yes, test passed. Submitted. Yeah, it works and pretty efficient by time and memory. Now it takes off and time, so it's linear time complexity. Thanks for watching. You can check out the full solution in Python and C in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.